search Portier Testimonials Tagalog, Portier Testimonials, lahat na ng sakit hanapin nyo andun. But some, we try to restrict na yung mga pages because of yung, syempre, we are not, please remember, we are not a drug. We are not medicine. We are a supplement. So, anong ginagawa ng supplement na to? Because this is yung stem cell na, live cell therapy. So, ang ginagawa niya is not pagalingin. Ang ginagawa niya is it strengthens your immune system to enable repair and regeneration because of the stem cell component. So, yun po yung huwag tayo magkakamali because marami na. When you read yung mga newcomers here, when you search per tier, ano pong lalabas? For the newcomers now, I'm telling you, ang lalabas po is that Freeway Singapore has been fined, penalized, 3,000 Sing dollars because of false claim. Sino po nag-false claim? Tayo po. I am also one because sinasabi ko na it helped. It helped, no? But it really did. And minsan, my experience is not the same as the experience of other people. But, yun nga, the effectivity is there. And I assure you po, the company started really from scratch. It started from humble beginnings. So, and this company po, for 18 years already, has only one health supplement product. Imagine, isang company will just rely on one product. Saan po kayo nakakita nun? Because punta nga kayo ng Unilab, Jollibee, yung mga gumagawa ng supplements, they have all the supplements, no? But ours, we started in 2008, and then, ang ginagawa ng Reway is completely, every time, improving the product. From 5 ingredients in 2008, now, in 2026, you are taking the 7th edition. That has 14 ingredients with 6 technology. Alam niyo po, I started with the 6th edition. When I was taking the 6th edition, hindi naman lahat, pati yung sakit ng likod ko, like yung aking frozen shoulder, hindi naman yan na-address agad. But you know, when I tried taking the version 7. So, doon ko naramdaman na I don't need to do massage anymore. Na hindi ko na kailangan magpapiti kasi na-address niya. So, ini-improve niya po yung product. So, that's one. And if you share this to your friends, bakit kailangan mo i-share? Because, pag sinabi sa'yo, oh, why are you getting younger? Bakit mukha kang bata? Ganyan. So, pag sinabi ko sa mga friends ko, because I'm taking stem cell. Anong sagot nila? Ang yaman. Okay? So, lahat po dito na umiinom, ang yaman daw natin, di ba? But, kung talagang mayaman ka, ang i-take mo is the stem cell injection. Kasi yun. That's the secret of the rich and famous. So, you know, the company made this product for us, common people, to be able na ma-afford natin. So we have to be thankful, no, to the company kasi ginawa niya to as effective as the injection. Do you realize that? It's as effective as the injection. So if you will see my photo way back when I started taking this product, malaki na po yung binata ng mukha ko. Yes. Malaki na. When you are also sharing this and doing this as I may not call it a business because some people think na, kaya pala you're sharing it because you earn from it eh. No, ang gusto ko lang dito is that we recover. Gusto niyo ba when you buy something, there's a return on investment?
Yes.
When you buy an iPhone, meron ba kayong return on investment? Wala. With this, meron? Ano yung return on investment? Oh, yes. Yes. But then, eventually, yes, tama naman, may return on investment, but not that that big, no? Unlike this one na ginagawa natin, when we take per year, we just buy one bottle. Kasi hindi natin kaya yung 6 months therapy. Pwede naman tayo slowly hanggang matapos natin yung 6 months therapy. Alam niyo po ba na when you share to 2 of your friends, eventually, mare-return on investment yun. So, free yung iniinom yun. So, my initial why ko ginagawa ito is that I take it for free. Okay? Kasi lahat naman tayo ganun eh. Kukurimutin natin yung sarili natin, lalo na yung mga mommies. Diba? Because bakit? Nagpapaaral tayo. Tapos may mga gusto yung mga anak natin. We need to buy for them. Because we want still na meron tayong value sa family. Not only our husband. Kasi ngayon, in this age of ours, if there is only one income for the household, medyo mahihirapan yung family. So, I understand the predicament of many housewives. Hindi na lang tayo pang bahay, pang beauty, pang shopping, yung ganyan. Because we have to help. And we also have to have value. Alam niyo po, what I gained in Reway is that before, I cannot speak in front of a lot of people. Mahihain po ako. But Reway gave me this opportunity to be able to share to you. And what we're sharing is always from the heart. Kaya nga po, this is not practice. Sinabihan naman ako kanina, but I still don't know what to say. So ngayon, pag umaakyat dito, that's the only time, na i-share ko, kaya pa laktaw-laktaw ko. So a lot of you, iniisip, how can I be able to share? Angela, paano ba ako makastart makainom? It starts with your decision. Kukuha ba ako? It starts with your decision na, will I try? Will I invest in myself? So, taking the product is an investment in yourself. Bakit po? When you are sick, yung 28,000 po ba, is mahal or mura? Mura. Because when you go to the hospital, 15,000 to 20,000 na agad, no? Test pa lang yun, wala pang resulta. So, why not we invest in ourselves, get yung ROI is not only yung perang mabalik sa'yo eh. Because we gain confidence, we gain friends, we have an environment of positive people. Dahil ngayon po, kayo po ang nakarinig. Pero paglabas nyo of the good news, pero paglabas nyo, sasabihin ng asawa mo, bakit ginabi ka na naman? Ano yung napag-usapan doon? Gastos na naman yan. Ba't tayo yung mismong nakarinig? And why will we rely doon sa mga negative feedbacks na doon sa like online? Marami ngayon na